This video is to help you with the weighted measures Excel file calculator, which lives with the other ones. It's this one here. So I'll click that and then click up here to download it. And once I have it downloaded, here's what it looks like. The first column here is for the values. I put also here, or midpoints, because you could use midpoints as representatives of classes. And in this column here, the weights or frequencies. So frequencies are for when you have that range of values kind of connected with the midpoints. You can use the frequencies as the weights as well. Now, this file does a few calculations which are listed over here. We have the sample weighted mean, the sample variance, and the sample standard deviation. And then down here, if the weights are for population, the calculations are done just a tiny little bit different. You can see how close they are between the two, but they are done just a tiny little bit different, which may make a difference in the calculation. Mean will be the same for both of them, which is kind of nice. For probability distributions, it would be the population weights here. Okay, so what I'll do first, I'm going to clear out what's here. So just highlight and press delete, not the backspace button. And I'm going to take data that I have from here. And notice the weights are first and then the scores are second. So I have to be careful in the way that I copy and paste this. I'm going to take the scores first, copy that, and paste that in for the values there. It's kind of changing the order. The weights I'll put in for this one here. So I flip the order, just compare the two, see how I flip the order. So sometimes you have to do that. You can do that a couple different ways, but just copying and pasting those two columns is a pretty quick way to do that. Now, you'll see here, these are kind of scores on things in a course, and it's giving you the weighted average, which would be like the final grade in the course itself, which here 77.45. So this student would be at a C+ in this situation. In this type of situation where their weights are for a course, the standard deviation and variance don't really mean too much, so we wouldn't really use them in that situation. But they're calculated even so.